Yes, hello and welcome my boot-loving friends to my Jim Green African Ranger Buffalo unboxing video, which will definitely not be in a TikTok style.
Yeah, hello and welcome to my unboxing video. Some magic in the box. My affiliate link is down in the descriptions.
So I'm not an influencer or don't want to be, one of these crazy YouTube people with welcome to my unboxing video. Just ordered a pair of Jim Green African Rangers in buffalo leather because it's not that easy in Austria. Here we have a retailer in Germany, but they are most of the time they are sold out. And doing what I can do best, sitting at home watching some TV, I scrolled in the internet and they had them on stocks in my size, so I just bought them. It's a few days ago. So here it is. Here you can hear. We have -degrees out there, so maybe they are frozen and broke up, and we have thousands of small buffalo leather parts in here. But I think it's just a small these small thingies they put in to prevent mold. And so yeah, so let's look in. It's still the original packing. This is the post thingy I took off because people are warning me, oh, don't show your address because someone might come. Yeah, if you wanted to have a beer with me, feel free to write it in the comment, and if we can arrange that, I'm the last one to say no. So okay, let's hold it in the camera. It's actually not that easy. So big shout out to all those influencers. You just need some knife skills to show how to open. Need some skills to show how to open a box. I don't know. So here it is. So first time opening, ladies and gentlemen, we have, let's make some music, especially for you, the first look at beautiful Jim Green buffalo leather. Yeah. One of the most important things, the cool Jim Green stickers. Yeah. And the ruptured little, how do we call that actually? This little anti-mold cushions, pillows, whatever. So, yeah, and here we have them. Beautiful color, shiny leather. I hoped them to be shiny like that, full grain leather. So let's put the shoe into the camera and not my face, because you are interested in the boot and not my face. And another advantage is you can buy the boot and not my face, because who wants old leather? Okay, so there's actually, can you see there is some glitter going on here because of the broken anti-mold thingy. But yeah, just have to wipe it off. So they are really beautiful, really beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah, not much to say. I'm speechless because I'm stunned. Is it worth? I think they cost 50 euros more than the normal one. So let's take out the holy Jim Green paper here, and so there is. Hey, that's funny. So they have this insole here, and compared to the to my new pair of fudge leather, where we have the other insole. So that's the buffalo leather, the smaller and you know, yeah, it's okay. And here we have these squishy. I don't know why they do that. Maybe because this is the normal woven material, polyester midsole, and here you have the leather midsole. But yeah, I don't care. Change them anyway. So yeah, okay. So here I have them, and it's nice to see it's a shiny leather. I will give it a treatment. I will show you in another video to prevent rain for coming in. I will not wear them for, you know, working or walking my dog. There I have my prepared pair. You already know if you watch my videos. I will keep these one for you know, not so rough conditions. And yeah, I think that's not leather here. It's another leather here. It's a smoother leather. Yeah, but they look nice, nicely done as always. There is a bizzle as the German kicks in. No, Viennese kicks in. There's a bit of a irregularity going on here compared to the other one. Hope you can see it in the camera. So here we have the normal, however you call it, and on the other one here it's a bit of a, it's actually a kind of a knot in the stitching, but yeah, nothing that bothers me. Yeah, nice pair of shoes, very happy. I have to get rid of these residues from the anti-mold pillow, as I said, I think 7,000 times now in this video. But you know, nice boot, color comparison, you know, like those laces in green. So okay, that was the unboxing video. Not much more to say. So yeah, I will keep you updated how they break in, but I think they are quite soft here. Yeah, it's not that hard and rigid of leather. Nothing compared to my to my break in. How do I call it? I met a friend and he said, okay, let's just go for a walk and talk, and you know, and we walked for over 2.5 hours. 13 kilometers, which is about, I think, 8 or 9 miles. No bus stop, no taxi, no street around. So I got blisters in my African Rangers, the high ones, the 8-inch ones. But I will make another video. So they are quite hard to break in, and I just fell in love with this super comfortable combination of boots. You know. The fudge leather and the construction, I think these one with the leather midsole will be a bit harder, but nothing compared to all the other boots, you know, having this wide toe box and it feels like just wearing socks. And I like the color of this buffalo leather. I saw a video where I mentioned that is a limited edition. I don't know, but I looked on the custom shop a few minutes before. You can just still order them in the custom shop. And I also like how they obviously take care by choosing the leather, because if you see this part here, also on the other boot, is quite you know, how do I say it? It's quite. There is not so much structure and grain going on like you see here, or on this part here, or on the tip, and the same is on the other boot. So we have this very smooth leather here, and these more more structured leather on the heel counter and on these mid part and on the top of the shoe. So they really take care that these colors and grains matches. Not 100%, there is a slight difference, but overall it's quite good. It's very good. It actually looks, there is more difference in this artificial light on camera than in real life. But I am already this age where you have to, you know, put it away to see clearly. But you know, it's nicely made also that we have, it's in fact a two-color boot, because this part here and this part here is another leather. It's darker brown. Man, they are really nice. They are really nice. Will be my office shoes. So I have an appointment tomorrow and in the city, so I will wear these with blue jeans and feeling cool all the time, because I have the African Ranger boots and they don't, you know. And it's actually a job interview, and when they ask me, so what's special about you? Why should we choose you for the job and not someone else? Then I will tell them, yeah, because I am a Jim Green guy. So you can already congratulate me for getting this job. Because, you know, I mean, who does not hire a Jim Green guy? Okay, so yeah, funny thing is the difference in these insoles. When do they use these ones, or when do they use these ones? Maybe you know, so you can write it in the comment. Didn't find out anything about that in the videos, but you know, I'm not that careful of a listener. Like my wife always says, you are listening, but you're not really listening. I can hear what you say, but I don't understand it. Okay, so yeah, super happy with these boots. We'll keep you updated on yeah, what's the difference between the fudge leather and this one in you know, wearing them, breaking them in, taking care of them, making them you know, taking care. I will put some leather balm on them so they are protected, especially on the sides here where I don't want water to seep in and destroy. Camera, please make a sharp, not of me. It's always focusing on me. Maybe I should marry the camera. You know, this leather part here, but if you've watched this, how it's done videos, you see they have this last and they put the leather around and then they stitch it down. And so I don't want water to seep in, which works perfectly on my other fudge leather boots, which I made water repellent with the running out of text with the leather balm. So okay. Thanks for watching, and until next time, maybe another unboxing video here on this very crazy channel. Have a nice time, see you. And it's so fun, I have to say, it's so fun making these videos for you. I know they are not high glossy and high quality, but you know, when I read all the comments, I know some of you guys like them. For some of you guys, there is a new information out there. That's why I'm doing this, not to get famous, just to stay in touch with people all over the world. You know, it's our little Jim Green boot, guitar, whatever we do together, whatever we watch together, community. So that's really cool. So thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and thanks for commenting so respectful. I know my English is not the best, and I'm trying to get better. I'm learning new vocabularies every day, and just watching all my TV shows and all my content in English now to get better, so you can understand what Mr. Baldhead means. So, but yeah, you know, you're all very generous to me, very lovely comments, which in this crazy times is not, yeah, we know there are other trolls out there. So, okay, thanks for watching, thanks for being like you are. Love you all, guys, and whatever gender. I cannot say I love you girls or women because, yeah, well, I've watched this video, but yeah, I will have some problems, but you know how I mean. Okay, so talked a lot, didn't say much. Have a nice day. Greetings from your Paul, your guy in Vienna. Until next time, goodbye.